I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Mobile data is enabled and your carrier account is active. Then disable Wi-Fi so you test the cellular path. Make sure you know whether you're on Android or iPhone and the OS version because menus differ. Next, open network settings and locate the private DNS or DNS settings. Note if it's set to automatic, off, or a custom hostname. This gives you the baseline so you can make targeted changes without guessing. Once you've noted the current setting, try switching private DNS off or back to automatic to remove a misconfigured hostname. On iPhone, adjust DNS/APN where applicable or use a mobile profile. If a custom hostname was present, replace it briefly with a known public DNS hostname such as DNS. Google or your carrier's DNS to verify connectivity. After changing, run quick tests. Open a browser. Use a ping or diagnostic app. If switching DNS or removing the private hostname restores access, save those settings and restart the phone to make sure the change persists. If problems persist, reset APN and network settings or reapply carrier settings. Sometimes carriers block third-party DNS and require their servers. As a final step, test with a different SIM or tether the phone to another device to determine whether the issue is the handset or the mobile network. If still unresolved, contact carrier support and report the DNS hostname and test results for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.